Every time I sit to film a video and I sit in front of my mirror and I look like Edward Cullen, like I'm so pale. I wonder if I look like this in real life. I don't think so. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Alyssa Morrison here. We're back again. We're here, we're ready. So excited for this video. Be sure to stay tuned until the end because I'm going to reveal the one product that changed my freaking hair. Today, I am talking about my hair care routine slash products that will change your hair's life. So to start off, I have extremely dry, color damaged or bleach damaged curly hair. I also have really fine hair, like I have a lot of hair, but my strands are very fine. So products that I'm mentioning are sort of geared towards that, but some of them are super universal. You can use with multiple hair types. So jumping right in with my favorite shampoo, this is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I am a huge fan of Olaplex. I am completely out right now of like the Olaplex No. 3, like the take home treatment, but huge fan of that. But this shampoo is a game changer. It makes my hair so soft, but I also feel that it cleans like really thoroughly. It doesn't leave like any residue, or if you do like an oil treatment or something, it's still a great option. And Olaplex, if you don't know what it is, it's actually like a hair strengthener. So it's not just like a conditioning treatment, it actually goes in and helps rebuild the bonds of your hair. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's actually been helping the health of my hair a lot. I had really dark, like dyed black hair, and within I would say like a time span of about 6 months, I got it to be this light, and it's still pretty decently healthy. It's not falling out of my head, so that's something. Next, I've talked about this before, this is my tried and true holy grail hair product. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. I truly think that if you don't have curly hair, you should just give this a try. You can purchase this at Target, probably at Walmart too. It's pretty inexpensive for a hair mask. You can find this at the drugstore, and it makes my hair so silky soft without weighing it down. I know, that's like the ultimate goal. What more could you ask for in a hair product? You know what I'm saying? I don't like product scents that linger too long. This smells really good, but it doesn't like linger in your hair to the point that it's overbearing. So I'm obsessed with this. I think for the price, it is such a good deal, and I will usually use this, I would say like once or twice a week. And finally, I have a product to share with you that I have been so obsessed with. Disclaimer, this product is pricey. It took me so long to convince myself to actually purchase it, but it's worth every penny, I'm telling you. This is the HUE Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. You guys, I've had this for 3 months, and I've used this much of it. So I feel like for the price, it's definitely worth it. Basically what this is it says that it's a shampoo substitute, and I have used it as a shampoo substitute. I would say like 80% of the time that I wash my hair. It took me a while to get used to it because the first time I used this, my hair was still so greasy at the top, and I was like, what? But now that my hair is acclimated to this, it's insane. And this is so different than just like if you were to mix apple cider vinegar and rinse your hair with it. It has other products, and it balances the pH of your hair and your scalp. And it also says that it like seals the cuticles, so it helps add shine, it helps protect your hair. So this actually has argan oil and aloe vera added into it, as well as some other really key ingredients, and this just makes my hair so soft. It cleanses without stripping the natural oils, but you still get that really clean feeling. I usually do this on its own. I would say like once a week maybe I actually go in with like real shampoo, but other times I'm just using this and I feel like my hair is clean. It also doesn't leave that like really strong apple cider vinegar scent, which I love because that is, whoa. It's definitely a product that I think would work for everyone, but it will take a little bit of time just for your hair to get acclimated to it. They also have like a trial size or like a travel size at Ulta if you just wanted to test it out. But I would strongly recommend this to anyone. I know it's an investment, but I think if you're spending the money on any hair care product, it should be this, just because normal shampoos or like shampoos with sulfates really strip your natural oils and can cause more damage. I follow Justin Anderson, who is like the creator of DPHUE on Instagram, and he always has really good information about, you know, hair health and everything like that. That concludes today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, so we can hang out for a few minutes, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I will see you guys next time.